I'm about to use a hot comb, and with a hot comb you have to be very cautious. You do need the Marcel stove. You need a stove that heats up these combs, but they're very hot and you have to be very careful not to burn the client. There's different size combs. This would be a very small one with little teeth. They're very close together and it's used more for the hairline, I think. I would use actually that comb if the hair's short also, but I'm going to show you a bigger comb, and this comb is a little bigger and a little wider, and if the hair's a little bit more thicker you want to use this comb right here. So there's several combs you can use on the hair, but you have to be very careful not to burn the client, not to burn the hair. You can't let it get too hot too because it can scorch the hair. Okay, so you might want to test it first on a towel and make sure that it's not too hot. Okay, if it's hot, real hot, it will turn the towel brown. Okay, so you will see burning. Okay, you might want to put a little water on the comb, to make sure that it's not too hot. If it steams up like that, it's okay, but that's what you want to do when it comes to hot combs.